So there we have it, garlic salt. How easy is that? Save yourself some pennies, make your own. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, garlic salt. I was absolutely mortified at the price of garlic salt in the supermarket. It is so easy to make. Let me show you how to make it and you'll see it's so simple. Come on. Now I'm going to use sea salt, but you can use regular table salt. I want to use sea salt and I'm going to grind it. I like it. Okay, it's 3 tablespoons of sea salt, and I'm not going level, as you can see. I'm generous, and I'm also generous with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and I'm going to give that a blend. Garlic salt. That is pure garlic salt. How easy is that? Don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make garlic salt. Save some money. If you like what we're doing, the big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. So there we have it, garlic salt. How easy is that? Save yourself some pennies, make your own.